The beauty about medical sciences is an art and craft. The beauty about this art and craft is the hands work. The beauty about the human body is the structure of hands. And when the person with the hand, Professor Anil Dhal sir, organized a course on hand, doing with the techniques of suturing, understanding the basics is not to be missed. Hi friends, I am Dr. Apoor Mehra and I represent team Conceptual Orthopedics here. On 10th and 11th of May, we have one of the most beautiful courses this country would ever see, I can say with trust and confidence. If there would have been a person to crown this title of being the hand with the hands, that's Professor Anil Dhal sir. He has put his heart and soul to this hand course and he has not left any stone unturned to make it beautiful. You can see the glimpses of the things that he's preparing for you to come and understand. The seats are closed. This video just tells you we are waiting to learn from him. Thank you very much.